Here's a quick look at the 2024 Toyota Tundra TRD Off-Road Crew Max. This is a one-owner, locally owned truck that presents like new inside and out. The third year of Tundra's redesign, featuring the 3.5 liter 6-cylinder motor. You can tow up to 12,000 pounds. Tons of options on this one. This is a long bed, giving you the 6.5 foot box. A full list of options over at DealerShift.ca, along with a look at the Carfax and inspection reports. This truck is still under tons of manufacturer warranty as well. Those dates published at DealerShift.ca. A look at the undercarriage there. Again, the truck does present like new, just 18,000 kilometers on the dash. The drop-in style bed liner. As we head around the driver's side now, tons of leg room in the second row, being a Crew Max. The gray cloth interior. You've got rubber floor mats throughout, keyless entry with push to start, blind spot monitors in the mirrors, autonomous emergency braking, all part of Toyota's Safety Sense, the newest generation of it. Of course, as this is a 24 model year, 18,000 kilometers on the dash, as I mentioned. Doing a start up there. Look at the odometer. Service due in 15,000. That's what that notification is there. There's your odometer. Look at the upgraded infotainment system for the new generation Tundra, the backup camera and parking sensors, a variety of drive modes. Previous gen was due for an update when it came to infotainment and technology, of course. Toyota's done a great job of that. Any questions on this one, please do not hesitate to reach out. Give us a call or shoot us an email. Again, this is the 2024 Toyota Tundra Crew Max TRD Off-Road.